Hi, what's up YouTubers? Today I'll be unboxing the Genesis DuraVac vacuum cleaner. It looks like it's ideal for wet and dry vacuum cleaning for your entire house. Let's just take it around a bit. So, the attachments there. There. Alright, so opening it, you get your usual instruction manual. Put it in there. Let's just take this out. So these are the parts. It looks quite strong. What's quite nice is that it's now a screw-in option, and of course you get the other part of it. Just put it down there. You get your pipes. Other pipe, and then we got the vacuum cleaner. Get rid of the plastic, and there we go. So there is the vacuum cleaner. It's a Genesis product. And I think the first thing you notice that it is metal clips, and it comes with a two-year warranty as well. So let's have a look. You have the usual cord, and you open it up. It comes with the motor. It's a 1200 watt. Put it in there, and then you have the filter. Obviously the dust and whatever goes in there first, and this basically protects the actual motor. And then of course you have the accessories. See, a nice big brush, obviously for carpets, and then for the tiles, for your tile surfaces and stuff. Of course, what we have here is the kind of wheels for this car. So I'll put it down there for a second, and then you have the part, the actual attachment for those hard to get places. We used to have it longer though, but I see they make it much smaller though. And then there's one more item. There's another brush, also for those hard to get places. So what they actually want us to do is obviously put the wheels in. Now that should just be straightforward. I think it's straightforward by the looks of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's just see. That's more like it. This one is a little bit stubborn. Alright, after a little bit of struggle that, I managed to get them all in. I think it's just a question of pressing them right in. So then it will look like that. And now I know some will obviously debate about the metal option, because obviously as you're going to use it, you're going to dent the surfaces and stuff, and obviously the surfaces will not look like this after a while. But here's the Genesis. Now obviously this goes back into the, and just wanted to see. Yeah, this is the metal clips, which I kind of quite like. And then of course is the pipe. As I said before, this is a pipe where you basically can screw in. The others normally you push in and sort of thing. So that could also be something that people will like, right? Because there's a on and off switch. And then of course the pipes are these here. I would probably later on get a more metal aluminium one, because these will eventually probably break or something, not sure. And of course, so basically you'll insert this pipe and the other one, and then obviously you will use one of the accessories that you require. But yeah, there we go. So there we go. We have the Genesis DuraVac. It looks like a smaller one, but it's a 1200 watt, as I said before, and we'll see how it goes. Normally what happens with all my other vacuum cleaners, the brackets do eventually break, and because of the metal it might last a little bit longer. So we'll see how this guy behaves over time. Thank you for watching.